Akala mo ba kailangan ng American accent para ma-hire ka ng mga foreigners? Nope. Actually, hindi mo kailangan yan. Kailangan mo ay clear, natural, and confident voice pagdating sa delivery. Hindi accent ang basehan. It's how you express your thoughts and how you carry yourself. Kung naintindihan ka na ng client, kahit may accent ka pa, komportable ka, hindi ka mukhang kinakabahan, hindi pilit yung pagsasalita mo, hindi okay, that's 10 times better than sounding scripted. In fact, maraming clients ang nakaka-appreciate ng natural na Filipino accent. Kahit restaurant ka pa yung magbigkas or feedback. Ganun pa yung pagbigkas mo. As long as you're warm, you're jolly, you're honest, you're relatable, and you're clear with your words, wala kang mga yung mga filler words. Okay lang yun and mas na-appreciate yun ng client. So, stop thinking na yung accent mo is a problem. It's actually not a problem. It gives your voice a unique identity. So, kung gusto pang ma-improve ang way mo paano magsalita, gusto mong ma-hire, gusto mong makapasok sa interview, you want to sound better, then I made a short, simple course on how you can practice your communication skills. So, make sure you get it now.